That's where milk powder comes in. In today's video, we're going inside a modern factory to see exactly how milk powder is made, from fresh raw milk collected at farms to the fine, dry powder sealed inside airtight packages. The fresh milk is immediately cooled to around 4 degrees Celsius to prevent bacterial growth. From there, insulated tanker trucks transport the milk to the processing plant. Time and temperature control are critical here because milk is highly perishable. When the milk arrives at the factory, it goes through strict quality testing. Samples are analyzed for fat content, protein levels, acidity, antibiotics, and bacterial contamination. Only milk that meets food safety standards moves forward. After approval, the milk is filtered and clarified to remove any impurities, such as dirt particles or somatic cells. Next comes standardization. Not all milk is the same. Some products require full cream milk powder, while others require skim milk powder. In this stage, the fat content of the milk is adjusted using a cream separator. The machine spins the milk at high speed, separating cream from skim milk. Depending on the final product, a precise amount of cream is added back. Now the milk moves to pasteurization. It is heated to a specific temperature, usually around 72 to 85 degrees Celsius, for a short time to kill harmful bacteria. Immediately after heating, it is rapidly cooled. This ensures safety without damaging nutritional value. After pasteurization, the milk still contains about 87% water. To turn it into powder, most of this water must be removed. The first step in water removal is evaporation. The milk enters a large vacuum evaporator system. The real transformation happens in the spray drying tower, the heart of milk powder production. The concentrated milk is pumped into the top of a tall drying chamber and sprayed through a nozzle or rotary atomizer. This breaks the liquid into millions of tiny droplets. At the same time, hot air, often around 150 to 200 degrees Celsius, is blown into the chamber. As the droplets fall through the hot air, moisture evaporates almost instantly. In just seconds, the droplets dry into fine powder particles before reaching the bottom of the tower. This rapid drying process helps preserve nutrients, flavor, and solubility. The dried powder settles at the base of the chamber and is collected using cyclone separators. Any remaining fine particles are recovered to reduce waste. At this stage, the milk powder is warm and slightly moist, so it moves to a fluidized bed dryer. Here, controlled airflow cools the powder and reduces the remaining moisture to a safe storage level, usually around 3 to 4%. The powder passes through vibrating screens to remove lumps and ensure uniform particle size. Samples are tested again for moisture content, solubility, microbiological safety, and nutritional values. For instant milk powder, there is an additional step called agglomeration. In this process, fine powder particles are lightly moistened with steam and allowed to stick together into larger granules. Once approved, the powder moves to the packaging line. Automated filling machines measure precise weights and fill bags, tins, or bulk sacks. In many cases, nitrogen gas is flushed into the package before sealing. The sealed packages are labeled with batch numbers and production dates, then packed into cartons and palletized for shipping. You'll know the incredible journey it took, from dairy farm to factory, through evaporation and spray drying, all the way to your kitchen.